Hi guys, 10:52 PM na. Iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat, ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong feng shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and date selection consultant. Kumusta po kayo? How was your Sunday? No po? Ito pala pong araw na to is also a celebration, a day to commemorate martial law, feast day of Our Lady of Peña Francia, and of course po, yung end of the Ghost Month, and a lot of things happening with all the left and right po na, of course, expression of disgust po sa mga nangyayari po sa atin po here in the Philippines po. Wow, jam-pack po pala yung araw na to. But the good thing is, yes, this is the last day. In a few minutes from now, tapos na po ang Ghost Month. So, again, reality, back to business po tayo. Okay, so let us check. Monday, September 22 is the Wood Horse enters the Received Officer Day. So let us see, BFF, ano po ba ang suitable and not suitable sa isang September 22 na araw? Wow, okay. So BFF, according to the Tongshu, ang sabi dito, Monday, prayers and worshiping. Ayan. Of course, we would like to make sure that tomorrow will be a better day than what we have now. So, yes, prayers and worshiping. And I hope you found time to hear Mass earlier. Sana po nakapag-donate tayo because that's the fifth step po. Kailangan we should have made a donation during the Sunday Mass on our Sunday worship po. Sana po hindi nyo nakalimutan BFF. Okay, let's check the animal sign. Rat is not so good. Ox is average. Best for the tiger, average for the rabbit, bad for the dragon. Average for the snake, best for the horse and goat. Bad for the monkey, average for the rooster, best for the dog, and average for the pig. Ayan po. Actually po, doon po sa Tongshu po or doon sa 10,000 year calendar po ni Grandmaster Tan Kong Yong, avoid all activities po. So that's why prayers and worshiping, according to that to Joey Yap, it's the best thing to do for tomorrow. However, alam ko po na dito mapipigilan, of course, in doing what we would like to 10x the outcome na nakaschedule na, or we want to mitigate the bad effects of the things that we will be doing tomorrow. So BFF, siyempre, what we do is do the daily Chimen. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Daily Chimen. Wow. Okay, BFF. September 22. If you want 10x being beautiful and handsome, if you want to improve your cash flow, branding, heart-to-heart talk, negotiations, you may want to back to South BFF. Konti, yan, para maliwanag. Okay. Then BFF for, if you want to create opportunities, find a good medical practitioner to cure you or to bring about healing. Game changer tomorrow is backing to Northwest BFF. So, backing to Northwest. If you're not feeling well, if you want to improve your network, improve your connections, back to North. And anything to do with finances, increase your resources, attract high caliber noble people, back to Northeast. So BFF, that's a whole day Chimen. So by 11:01 to 10:59 PM the next day, whole day you can use this one. So you're seated, use a compass, you back to the direction that will best suit what you want. So you're backing to, okay, and then you count from number 64 to 1 uninterrupted. If you make a mistake, you go back to 64. And then, so you're seated, count, to make sure that the direction is good, backing direction, and you do 4 things. Let go of the past. Let go of bad opportunities. Let go of lost opportunities, bad people, betrayals, everything not so good. Let go. Number 2, you open up for new opportunities. New people to come into your life. FF. New things to come into your life. 3, give thanks to the people who truly love you. Give thanks to the Creator. And number 4, pray, wish, manifest, visualize for what you want. Maybe for this week, for this month, up to you. But just make it short. And then number 5, again, given the chance, Sunday worship or can also be done online. You make a donation. Any amount, any form, make a donation. That's the 5 steps. Okay, so BFF, let's check. Is there a green dragon, a flying bird, and jade maiden watching the door? Okay. So for the first timers, this is a 2-hour window. I mentioned earlier is a day, a daily achievement. Now this is a 2-hour window. Green dragon, flying bird, and jade maiden watching the door. Okay, let us see. 22. All right. Okay. 22. From 5 a.m. to 6:59 a.m., backing to west, it's flying bird fall into cave. Number 2, most auspicious structure in Chimen Dunja, the Art of War. Out of 1,080 structures wherein the blessing comes to you, that's backing to west. Jade Maiden watching the door is backing to north. From 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. lunchtime. Oh, that's about it. Then should you want to, there's a late one, 11 p.m. to 11:59 a.m. Back into south, Green Dragon returns, the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen. Yes, so what I did earlier was hear mass, of course. We make a donation. Yes, and then we watch the YouTube local channel and seen everything, from international network to local networks with what's going on with the different rally sites that happened today. Okay, so that it happened. So now the ghost month is over. Let us not stop doing the journey into us. Tayo po, let's not forget that. At the end of the day, when we're alone, you and me, it will always be our mindset, our way of thinking, how we align with things, how we accept things, how we don't accept things. So, up to us, you and me, of course, BFF. And what we're doing now, the alignment, the achievement, is one way of aligning ourselves to get what we want. And getting what we want makes us more happier in life. Of course, that's the best. That's the objective of what we're doing. So our exchange of energy, BFF, is like and share. Maybe someone out there will be needing this. It's free of charge. You just have to have a reliable compass, and you count from 64 to 1, and you do the 5 steps. So don't forget that, BFF. Okay, BFF, again, I know some of this has been a long day for you, and tomorrow you're preparing for a Monday. BFF, let us continuously pray for each other, our BFF, or we'll never know if someone out there is sick, lonely, depressed, have the fear, have lack of courage, financial trouble, any problem, anything, family problem. Let's continue to pray for them. Let us also pray for our country, the Philippines. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal us one. Let's be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Thank you so much to each and every one. Happy Monday, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.